P be a point and with direction of r, and the gradient normal vector n, where grad phi divided by mod of grad phi. This is a gradient vector phi and this is vector r and unit normal vector r. Then the angle between unit normal vector r and gradient normal vector n is equal to theta, and this is a function phi. Then del phi y del s is equal to del phi del unit n and del phi y del r, where del phi y del s equal to del phi y del n cap into del phi y r y equal to cos theta. Angle between gradient normal vector n and directional vector unit vector r equal to del phi y del n into n cap dot r cap, here cos theta is equal to cap into r cap. Then this is equal to del phi y del n cap into n cap to r cap, where this is gradient of scalar phi into r cap. Then directional derivative, for maximum directional derivative, the directional derivative is maximum along the direction of gradient vector phi such that normal n equal to vector r. The direction of gradient normal vector is equal to directional derivative vector r such that del phi y del s is equal to del phi by del s is equal to del phi by del n cap into n cap into n cap equal to del phi y del n cap into n cap, such that grad of phi into n cap for maximum directional derivative. Thank you.